Today we're gonna make some Asian pork tenderloin. So this recipe is all about the marinade. Now we're gonna double up this marinade and make it about twice as much as we need, because I'm gonna save this and we're gonna use it as a sauce to top it later. This is a delicious recipe and we're gonna grill it today. You could definitely do it in the oven, but today we're gonna get that smoky flavor from the charcoal grill. Now we're gonna start with some soy sauce. This is gonna be the base here. Then I'm going in with some sesame oil. Now I'm going in with some brown sugar. I'm gonna season it with some curled beef rub. And I also like to add a little bit of white pepper here. Now I really like garlic with this. I'm adding 4 cloves. You may not have to do that much, but I really like the garlic here. I'm gonna press that. Then I'm gonna add some ginger. Now, if you want to, you can take the back of a spoon and peel it like that. Now let's take some of that ginger. I'm gonna press that as well. All right, now we're gonna give this a good mix. It smells amazing. Like I said, I'm gonna reserve a little bit of this to make the sauce. We're gonna top this pork tenderloin once we slice it. We just need a little bit for that. The rest we're gonna use for the marinade. All right, so I've got 2 pork tenderloins here. I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag. We're gonna pour that marinade right on in. I'm gonna zip this up. Let's work it in really well. Get the air out of it. We're gonna let this marinate for 4 or 5 hours. The longer you can let it go, the better it's gonna be. Now I'm gonna put this in the fridge and we'll see you at the grill. All right, so we've got the cowboy charcoal lit up here on the birch barrel. Now we're grilling this indirect, so we've got all the charcoal lit on this side, and this side is not over the direct heat. We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna sear it off real hot on each side. We could cook this direct right over the coals. However, with this having some brown sugar in it, we're gonna run the risk of burning that. So we're gonna close the lid on this, and we're gonna let it cook for a few minutes. All right, let's take a look here. Now we're gonna move this over to the side where we can sear it. We're gonna finish cooking this until it gets 145 degrees internal. Keep it right over top of those coals. We do want to build a good crust here. All right, at this point, we're gonna start probing it. I don't think we're quite there yet. We're still quite a ways off, but we're looking for 145 degrees internal. Again, we're gonna keep flipping this, making sure we get all sides nice and seared off like that. And we're past 145, just a little bit on that one. This one needs just a minute longer. So, but we're looking good. I'm gonna let that one keep going. And this one is ready to pull off and to start resting. So we've grilled our tenderloin. We've let it rest for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to slice it. So I'm gonna take it kind of at an angle here. Slice it just like that. I'm gonna cut it into little medallions here. That's how we're gonna serve it up. This thing smells so good. Now I'm gonna plate it so that we can spread this sauce over it nice and evenly. Now that marinade, we reserved some of it. Now we're gonna pour that over as a sauce. If you don't want the garlic and ginger, you could definitely strain this. I actually don't mind it on there, especially whenever we ran it through the garlic press. That looks beautiful. All right, let's give this a try here. This is cooked perfectly for me. It's real nice and juicy because we let it rest for a while. Now you got to get in there and get those juices. It is so good. This is a really good recipe. It's not a ton of work. I really recommend it, so go give it a try.
The full recipe can be found at crowfood.com, along with our rubs, merchandise, and dozens of other great recipes. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, thanks for watching.